Hello everyone, welcome back to Scratch Programming Tutorials. So here I'm going to do a small project so for which I don't need this cat sprite. So I'm going to delete this cat sprite now. So I need a sprite which I want to use is a ball. So I'm going to select the ball from this library of sprites. So here the ball is, I'm selecting this one, and I just want to give some motion to this sprite. So I'm going to the motion block and selecting move 10 steps block, and I'm dragging that move 10 steps block into this script area. So so I'm just clicking the move 10 steps block to check the motion of the ball. Yes, it's working. So now I'm going to take a block if on edge bounds, because if I am not using this if on edge bounds, so the ball will go out of the stage. So if I use if on edge bounds block, so when the ball reaches edge of this stage, so it will be bent back. Means it will come in the reverse direction after reaching the edge. Again, after reaching this edge, it will go back this direction. So we'll check it once. I'm continuously clicking. Okay, it's coming back. When it comes and reaches the another edge, it will go back again. Okay, so instead of clicking all the times, I just want to give an automatic one. So for that I'm selecting forever block, and I'm keeping this move 10 steps block and if on edge bounce block into this forever block, so the ball moves continuously, right? So and I just want to I just want to give an event for this. When I click on some button, then only the action should take place. So for that I am selecting when flag is clicked. Okay, when flag is clicked, then only this action should happen. So I am going to click the flag. It's happening. I'm going to stop the execution. Okay, so but here I just want to give some angle, because it is it is going in this direction and this direction only. Okay, so for that to avoid that, and I just want to move the ball in different directions like this. Okay, so for that I'm going to select point in direction block, which 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 will be under motion blocks only. Point in direction. So I'm going to keep this point in direction under the when flag is clicked. So and I'm going to change this angle also 30 degrees. So I'm going to check with the execution. Now the ball is moving with an angle 30 when it incidents on the edge of the stage. It is taking 30-degree angle. So and I'm going to take a pen down block, because pen down block is used to draw a line. So I just want to draw a line when the ball moves. Okay, so now it is working. So I'm stopping the execution. Now I'm going to click